Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and for today's Baketember recipe, I am making brownies, but with a twist. I'm gonna add some fresh cranberries to it, some pecans. It's delicious, a perfect balance of sweet and tart. So if you guys like brownie recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So in front of me, I have a small saucepan that I have on medium. To that, I'm gonna add my butter. And then as soon as this is all melted, I will add my chocolate chips. And you just wanna make sure the chocolate chips and the butter are all very, very well melted together. All right, my butter is all melted. Now I'm gonna add the chocolate chips. And we're gonna make sure that this is also melted all the way before moving on. All right, that looks perfect. There's tiny little clumps, but since this is brownies anyways, it'll be delicious. You'll bite into little clumps of chocolate. So now I'm going to take a bowl and pour this all into a bowl and add the rest of my ingredients. All right, so I poured the melted butter and the chocolate in a bowl. To that, now I'm gonna add some brown sugar and some vanilla extract. Mix this all together. You basically want to really cool down this mixture before you add the eggs, or your eggs will curdle and that's not good. All right, so the sugar is nicely mixed in. So now let's add our eggs. So 2 eggs. And mix that in, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and switch to a whisk. Make it a little bit easier. Look at this, that is perfect. All right, so now I'm just gonna add my flour and a little bit of salt and give this a good mix. All right, that looks perfect. So now I'm gonna switch back to my spatula, get all of this excess from my whisk, and then I'm just gonna fold in some pecans. And you can use any type of nut that you want. I've used walnuts in place of the pecans as well. And then some fresh cranberries. And you're just gonna gently fold this in. All right, that is nicely mixed together. Now I have a 9 by 9 inch baking tray. I put aluminum foil in it so that I can take it and just lift up the aluminum foil once it's cooled down and cut perfect squares, but that step is totally not necessary. All right, now what you're gonna do in a 325-degree oven, pop this in for about 25 to 30 minutes. Check with a toothpick. Once you insert it, it should come out clean and you know it's done. And then I'll show you guys how delicious this will look. All right guys, the brownies just came out of the oven. They look beautiful. You can see the cranberries on the top have dried. So let me go ahead and show you why I did this. You just pull it right out. And this way you can make nice squares. Yum. Let me go ahead and cut it for you guys. Oh, yes. All right, gotta show you guys a piece in the middle. Ooh. Yum. All right, go ahead and cut a little piece off of here and taste it. Ooh, it's gonna be hot though. And blow on it. Wow, it is so nice and soft in the middle. Let me show you guys. And then the cranberries are tart, so it's not super sweet. Really good mix of both kind of sweet and tart. So if you guys like that kind of combination and the pecans and adds a little crunch, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced. You can see the cranberries on the top. And Khaleesi right here, hello.